Hi, my name is Jerry Namor, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of LendStreet, a platform focused on delivering financial help for the American consumer. People's financial lives are fluid, and our financial system is rigid. Over 50% of Americans are vulnerable to financial shocks, and there is no AAA for people in debt. Take Betty, for example, a 50-year-old mother of two who consistently made her payments, and her husband fell ill, and her household income was cut in half. She reached out to the bank for help. Unfortunately, due to internal policies and regulatory limitations, the bank could not accommodate her request for a significantly lower payment. And now Betty is delinquent. And Betty is not alone. In fact, this is a massive problem. 77 million Americans, that's 1 out of 3 adult Americans, have a debt in collections, totaling more than $650 billion. We reached an all-time high in household debt of $14.3 trillion in Q1 of 2020. And that was all before COVID. We can only imagine what will happen post-COVID. Collections and debt relief is a massive industry with $14 billion in revenue, and yet it is low-tech, expensive, and often a terrible experience for consumers. Betty is now caught in the debt collection cycle with limited options that optimizes for her well-being and enables the bank to recover as much of the money that was lent to Betty as possible. At LendStreet, we've designed a solution to build a bridge between Betty and the bank. We aggregate data from multiple sources to assess Betty's financial behavior and her capacity to pay. We work with partners to negotiate down Betty's debt from $25,000 to $16,000, and we give Betty a longer time to pay at a lower interest rate. And now Betty is back on track. In fact, Betty is outperforming her credit score. She is performing at a rate similar to consumers with FICO scores of 100 points or higher. That's right. Our model is outperforming FICO by over 100 points, and that's even during COVID. Our team is made up of experts with an average of 20 plus years experience in financial technology, financial services, and collections. We believe everyone deserves a second chance. As a business that is tackling the more than $650 billion of distressed debt in the country, we embrace this opportunity to work with Unreasonable Future and all of you as we scale our impact. Thank you.